What is going on, guys? Today we are going to be working on MazdaSpeed 3 again. Today we're going to be doing the full LED interior kit. This includes license plate light, I think the glove box light. I don't think they do actually have a trunk light, so we'll see if that goes LED or not. Dome and map lights. We're going to be doing all those today in the MazdaSpeed 3. I got this little package of LEDs for the speeds, so we're gonna go ahead and take them off. I got so much daylight after work. I got about 30 minutes until it gets dark. So let's get started. Got this kit off Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below for an LED interior kit for your Mazda 3s, MazdaSpeed 3s, and you guys can pick them up for yourself. This is quite cheap, but it's LEDs, they do the job. Once we're done installing them, I'll show you guys what they look like at night, especially with the license plate lights. Let's go ahead and get started. You're gonna need like flathead piece, something to pop out some lenses, and that's pretty much about it. Flathead of choice. We'll use the trim popping tool just in case. Also, a little boy flathead. Amber looking like a snack. Okay, so as you guys can see, ugly. I believe, if I'm right, I believe this whole thing pops out. Okay. A little twisty, and that pops right out. And let's open our new pack of LEDs. This is why I told you to bring the flathead. Beauty. So they come in two separations, a ton of these ones and a ton of these ones, which we are going to be using these ones. So you guys got this one right here, this cool little one. You're gonna go ahead and pop this out. You're gonna take one of your new LEDs. You know what's funny? I think I have some of these sitting around. Take a new LED, go ahead, pop it in there, and we're going to test it because these are polarity specific. So if they don't go in one way, then you rotate them. So that works. Cool LED. There's a comparison. It's pretty grungy, yeah? So cool. Let's go ahead and get this one out. This one looks like it's gonna be a pain. Grab this, twist it. Come on out, baby. Go ahead, pop this bulb out. New bulb goes in. Cool. Twist that in there, test it. Works. Beautiful. First try on both. Go ahead, you guys can pop this back in now. It slides right in perfectly. Put it on door, and your front LEDs are done. So glad that I just did this. Okay, so that's done. Let's go ahead and work on that one. Okay, so this one's a little different. So we got a little tab right here. You guys want to go under? Pick that off. You guys will want to go to your LEDs, and you're going to be grabbing a different one. Go ahead and take a flathead and try to pry this out because it's very hot. So we're going to go ahead, slide that in right there and test it. Beauty. Damn, dude. That looks so much better back here, guys. I'm not even kidding you. Just to start this off, it's looking like a snack right now. Go ahead and try and pop these back in here. Back in, just like that. It already looks so much better back here. I feel like that one's a lot brighter, which is cool. So now, we have the trunk LED. So this is where it is. Now I know there's a certain way to take these out. I really don't want, okay, just easy like that. Gonna go ahead, see if we can pop this out some way. This one's a little dinker. Whoop, just like that. Again, we're gonna compare sizes. So it looks like this one is the winner. Go ahead, stick that in there, just like that. Try it out. Beauty. I'm getting first tries everywhere. It's like so, boom. Now you got yourself a bright LED in your trunk. Next step I think we're gonna try is the license plate lights. There are two little prongs right here that you're gonna have to like pop out and push. Boom, that's out. Now, one thing I noticed about these, you don't got much play. So let's just make this quick, simple. Boom, pop that out. And go ahead and give this a wipe down while that's out. Boom, you got yourself your light. So to put this back in, you gotta work it in there. This is gonna be a fun one. It'd be easier if you didn't have this, which I'm actually gonna take out right now, real quick. Put one in first, and the second one, and you guys got LED. And so now since we finished the license plate light, so I was reading the packaging, and like you get extras. They only included what we did, but we get extras of like each. So we get 2 of the little ones, 2 of the big boys, and 3 of these. So like if your bulbs ever go, then you got extras. Now, like I said, I'm not sure about the glove box light, but I'm pretty sure one of these will replace it. So if you guys want to do glove box, which I'm not gonna do because it's a pain, I'll do it when I take the glove box out for any reason, probably like the cabin air filter or something like that. Maybe I'll see. But for else, you guys got extras, and your car has LED interior. So we're gonna wait till it goes nighttime. We're gonna take a look at what these look like in the night and see if you guys want to do them to your car. This stuff tastes like orange julius. I'm going to go ahead and give you a demonstration of when I unlock this. You guys will see it turn on in the car. That looks sweet. Nice and white in here. This is looking minty. Okay, so we did that. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights on. We are going to, oh, look at those beefy taillights. I already saw the LED license plate lights. Let's check out this one. Okay, it does work. I can see in there pretty good, so that's good. And then, dude, amber's mobbing. That looks pretty sick. They're not too bright. You guys can get different ones. I mean, they are quite bright. I like that. This looks cool at night. That's what your car looks like with the LED kit. I love this the most. It just makes it feel like so much more modern. And then you guys have the LED kit. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content with the MazdaSpeed and the Mazda 3 and the 323. But anyways, if you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down in the comments below. Product will be available in the description. Also, if you guys want to pick up some Mazda Squad stickers, link is also in the description. But other than that, guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.